All three of these stories have the same theme in common. Two Hungry Elephants, What a Feast, and Beware of the Lion all share the theme of how animals work together to help one another. I want you to look at the pictures of these stories and think about, do these look like real animals or do these look more like fantasy animals, and how can you tell the difference? All right, our essential question this week is, how can we work together to make our lives better? That kind of matches the theme of these three stories. Our theme is here at the bottom of this graphic organizer, and your job is going to be to find clues that tell me how you know it's true that what I've said is animals work together to make their lives better, and how can you prove that? So when you're listening to your story, think of 1, 2, 3, or more clues that help you know that animals work together in this story. They actually do that in all the stories. So it'll be cool to hear about all the different clues you find in your different stories. Whichever book you read, some of the things are all the same. Like these sounds that you're going to hear in the story, you're going to hear a lot of ooh sounds. And ooh can be spelled in more than one way. You might spell ooh with 2 O's, U, U, E, EU, UI, or OU. You might make the ooh sound with the bossy E. Our vocabulary words are answer, brought, busy, demand, door, emergency, enough, and yes. Your teacher will assign you your leveled readers on McGrawHill or Connected. When you're done, I have some questions for you to think about. We're going to take a look at those. Once you've read your leveled reader, you're going to answer 2 questions. Remember, our theme is animals work together to help one another. Question 1, what clues from the text help you know that animals work together? Question 2, how do you know this text was a fantasy? Were the animals wearing clothes? Did they talk? What clues helped you know it was a fantasy? Remember to always use a capital letter to start your sentence and end it with a period. Then read or listen your work to check and see if it makes sense. Thanks for watching the Leveled Reader Instructions with me. Tomorrow we're going to talk about the extended text at the end of those stories. See you next time.